Hey everyone, it's Saj here from Acuity Solutions, and today I'm going to be showing you how we can export list views to Excel. So within any of our list views in Sage 200, now that can be from a standard type of list view, such as a customer list, or even from a transaction inquiry list, we can always export these to Excel. So if I, for instance, go into my sales ledger and go into my customer list, I can then right click anywhere and export either all or selected to Excel. I can also go into a transaction inquiry list. So for instance, I can go into a transaction inquiry list for this customer and also right click and export to Excel. So this kind of functionality actually extends to some other areas as well. As I've just mentioned, we had the transaction inquiry screens and the list views. We can also do this within a bank reconciliation screen. So if I went into our bank reconciliation for this main bank account, I can right click anywhere here and export to Excel. So pretty much any type of list view that we have in the Sage 200 system, we can always right click and export to Excel to assist us with any type of data manipulation. Thank you all for listening, and I hope to see you in our next video.